Welcome to my channel.
Huawei router login for beginners. Default admin credentials. 1. Connect the Huawei router. Connect your phone, laptop, or PC to the Huawei router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. 2. Open a web browser. Launch any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. 3. Enter login address. Type 192.168.3.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and press enter. 4. Access the login page. Wait for the Huawei router login page to load. 5. Enter admin username. Enter admin as the default username for most Huawei routers. 6. Enter admin password. Type admin or check the router label for the default password. 7. Click Login. Click Login to access the router admin dashboard. 8. Change default password. For security, change the default admin password immediately. 9. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Update Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password as per your preference. 10. Save and exit. Save the settings and log out of the router admin panel.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.